Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about profit and loss. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 203. Profit and loss. Let's see one example. A shopkeeper bought a mobile phone for 2,800 rupees and sold it to you for 3,100 rupees. Did he earn or lose money? Before answering this question, let us understand two very simple terms: cost price and selling price. What is cost price? The amount of money which you pay to buy an article is called the cost price. In short form, we can write CP. Then selling price. The amount which you receive from the customer by selling an article is called the selling price, or in short form we write SP. Now we can back to our question. You can very well see that 3,100 rupees means the selling price is greater than 2,800 rupees, which is cost price. So money he receives is greater than money he paid. So he earned money. The money earned is called profit. So when the selling price of an article is greater than its cost price, a profit is made. So the formula of profit equal to selling price minus cost price. You remember. On the other hand, Mr. Verma bought a table for 1,600 rupees and he had to sell it for 1,350 rupees. Here children, money he received is less than money he paid. So here he loses money. The money lost is called the loss. So the loss formula is cost price minus selling price. Okay. So in this table, two formula is given. When selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. And when selling price is less than cost price, there is a loss. You remember this formula. Then comes to example 15. A toy is bought for this much and sold for this much. Find the profit or loss made. First you see the cost price and the selling price. Cost price is this much and selling price is this much. Here printing mistake children. Cost price is greater than selling price. So it is loss. So loss formula you put. Then example 16. A shopkeeper buys a television set for this much and spends for this much on its transportation and sells it for this much. Find the profit or loss made. So first you see selling price is this much, cost price is this much. So total cost price, or you can add these two, cost of transportation plus cost price. Then you get this much. So here CP means cost price is greater than selling price. So here profit equal to SP minus CP, that is 9,600 minus 7,320. Here again printing mistake is there. Selling price greater than cost price. Okay. Here two formula is given. The cost price and profit are given. Then selling price equal to cost price plus profit. When cost price and loss are given, then selling price equal to cost price minus loss. Example 17. Find the selling price of a pair of shoes when its cost price is 762 rupees and the profit made on it is this much. So selling price is cost price plus profit. Example 18. During summer, a warm jacket which was bought by the shopkeeper for this much was sold at the loss. So here loss is given, okay, and cost price is given. So selling price equal to cost price minus loss. Here to find cost price equal to selling price minus profit and cost price equal to selling price plus loss. Okay. Then example 19. Rajni bought a tricycle for her daughter Adhya for this much. The shopkeeper earned a profit this much. At what price did he buy? Buy means children, here cost price you have to find out. Selling price is this much, profit is this much. So cost price equal to SP minus profit. Then example 20. Find the cost price of a pair of slippers sold at 345 rupees for a loss of 25 rupees. So here loss is given and selling price is given. So cost price equal to selling price plus loss. Then comes to exercise 15.4. One number, find the profit or loss in each of the following cases. So children, first you mark what is the cost price and what is the selling price. Then you find out which are profit and which are loss. 2 number, a shopkeeper bought a refrigerator for this much and sold it for this much. Find his profit or loss. So you mark cost price and selling price. Here cost price is this much and selling price is this much. So here cost price is less than selling price. Okay, so here profit is there. 3 number, a dealer bought 20 TV sets for this much, paid this much as the cartage for all and sold these at this much. Find the total profit or loss. So here cost price is this much, okay, and paid for cartage this much. So first you add, then you find out which one is profit and which one is loss. 4 number, a bicycle is sold for this much by making a profit. Okay, find the cost price. So you remember the formula. Here selling price is given and profit is given. What is the cost price? 5 number, Reena bought a sari for this much and sold it to her friend this much. Find her profit or loss. Very easy. Cost price is this much and selling price is this much. Okay, so what you observe? Here loss is there. Okay, so you find out, put the formula and find out your answer. Before that you first learn all the formula. Okay, so complete this exercise in your copy. Thank you.